So this tutorial is about resizing images for the circuit. This image is about a new video board. It's on the football field, Larry Wilcox Stadium. And the story is there's a story that's being written about the board. To start out, looking at the image, I can see here that I have this Celestis. The image itself looks pretty good in terms of quality. So let's go right to image size. Well, first of all, before we go do that, let's just make a copy and call this vidboard circuit. So we want to make sure that we make a copy of the image so that we don't mess up the original. So now I'm going to work on this copy. And you can see here that I have two. I have the original, then I have this vidboard one. Now we can go up, and if the image looks good, you can test it by looking at the tone, and I've already done all that. So you could go to image and then go down auto tone. It's already been done. So really this is just about the image size. So quickly, let's go to image size. So image, file size, image size. Now I'm going to go to the settings. So here since we're working on, make sure everything's in pixels. We work in pixels. So here we have this, and our longest dimension, our orientation is horizontal. So for Snow, for the server, for the hosting service, 1333 should work just great. So we're about a 4.5. We went from very large to reasonable. So this is the size that the image is going to be. So once we get that, so notice that this floats, so your height's going to automatically adjust, and it's because these are constrained. So make sure it's in pixels. 1333, the longest dimension, which is great. And this is going to change as you change this. And then I go OK. So now this looks very small right now. Let's go Command 0 will bring us back to where we need to be if you want to look at it again. So I'm going to go to Save As. And the main thing is, like, if it comes across as a PSD or Photoshop file, we want to make sure we change it to a JPEG. So that's what it takes. If it doesn't give you that option, if it comes up as a PSD, just hit Save as a copy, and then you'll get the JPEG option. And then we go OK. And we go 12, quality, image options, maximum. Alright, and that is our image. So now we know that that's been saved. I've saved it to my desktop. And so this is how you resize your images for the circuit.